Now Shawn's riding my MT03. We're gonna go down to Gresham Powersports for funsies. There he goes. Hi, neighbor. Uh-oh. Somebody's car's in trouble. Wonder if it overheated. It's a nice day to get out of the house, but it's like 87 degrees and the humidity's making it feel a lot warmer. But I'm glad I got my new summer jacket. I get to wear it this season. I feel like it's a little smoggy too from distant wildfires. I honestly don't know where all the wildfires are right now. That's where we're going. Oh, it feels so good to get moving. Ooh. Oh my gosh, that's bumpy. Hey man, I got a nod. Yeah, I'm too slow. My bike is so pretty. Hi, friend. There's just not a lot to talk about, just riding around, getting out of the house. The other day this heat got me sick. I opted to just stay home and take care of myself. Wonder which way we're going. Where is he taking me? Oh gosh, is he taking me down the gorge? Ooh, this is gonna be an interesting video. Not gonna lie, I'm nervous. Not gonna lie, a little scared. But you guys, show some love, please. Just say hi. I know I'm not the best at making content. Don't want to try to be anything I'm not. Just me. Oh, I love these trees. Oh, we're getting back over here now. Okay. For a second, I thought you were going to take me down to the gorge. I don't know about today. I don't know how much gas is in my thing. He just wants to be on YouTube. Oh, this is different. Oh, bump. Oof. There you go, guys. State of Oregon, Department of Transportation. Ooh, that looks like an art installation. Oh, it is pretty. I need to honk. I need to honk. It's not a big tunnel, but... Ooh, that was fun. Oh, that's where I adopted my Frodo. If you look on my Instagram and scroll really far down, because it's been a minute, you'll see my black and white dairy cow looking cat. I adopted him years ago when he was a kitten. He looked like a cow, but acted like a farm cat in a previous life. I have no idea where we're going, and I'm getting nervous. Be prepared to stop, okay? Ooh, debris. Railroad tracks. Woo! That was a big bump. My tush caught air. I kind of stood up a little bit. Okay, we're doing this way. I like this way. Even people are tired of seeing it. That's okay. Whoop. Hi. But I guess I could talk about what we've been doing, other than me trying to work. One day I had to call in because of the heat. Hadn't been riding for like a week because of the heat. It's just too hot and I didn't have my summer jacket yet. And if I'm not feeling good, I shouldn't ride. There we go. Oh, I guess I could turn my signal off. I'm doing it! I'm doing it! I'm doing it! Whee! Ha! There's a car behind me. They're probably like, what are they doing? Okay, I don't know where we're going. Oh, we're just getting off over here. Okay. But we're going the opposite way, going by Reynolds Middle School. It hasn't changed much since I was a kid. This was one of my old school bus routes too. I haven't been down here in ages. I don't know where we're going. Are we scoping out a parking lot to practice or something? God, this road is rough. Oh my gosh, this road is rough. It's making my phone keep going up. This time lapse is gonna be weird. All the vibrations. Oh well, I'll work with what I got. That's what I do. That was fun, actually. Oh yeah, other things we've been doing is pressure washing our bird cages. Got to do that every so often. My lovebird is getting a huge cage upgrade. She earned it, and we made spoilers. Well, she's always earned a big cage upgrade. All my birds do. Toby's gonna get a cage upgrade too. You're thinking about getting a Honda Ruckus right now. You still can't get any? But as soon as they come in, get them while they're there. I have a feeling they'll get more in eventually. Airplane! Yeah, I think Shawn likes riding the MT03. It's just so small for him though. It's just right for me. He's behind me now. It's my turn to lead for a little bit. Ooh, this is all freshly paved. Fancy. Oh, that felt good.